What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day. Appreciate you guys joining me. Did you know that Ledger wallets are now available at Best Buy? Luckside, what is a Ledger wallet? Okay, we're going to go ahead and dive right into this. But before we do, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notified anytime our content goes live here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. So Ledger wallets are a type of hard wallet or a cold wallet. Okay. What this means is that this device that you have, you actually need it in order to be able to access your crypto. Whereas, stuff like a hot wallet or a soft wallet, they are, like basically a program, okay, a computer program. So that's like your MetaMask, your wallets on exchanges, stuff like that, where obviously it's readily available at your fingertips. Now, why is this important? Well, obviously here at ClearCryptos, security is a really big deal to us. Obviously, we want you to be as safe as possible, okay? And there are obviously things that you can do to help protect that, security and make yourself safer. Because obviously when it comes to money, you always want to be as safe as possible. Now, it's been shown through the years that these self-custody, okay, having a hard wallet like a Ledger is the way to go. Okay. It is the most secure way to do things. We hear of more and more hacks every day, not from these hard wallets or self-custody wallets. They're coming directly from these soft wallets. Okay. Wallets that are on exchanges, that are on like MetaMask, stuff like that. Don't want to say MetaMask in the comments on Twitter, but so this is a really big deal. Now, it goes on to say that between this deal that was made between, obviously Ledger and Best Buy, you now have access to same day pickup of either Ledger Nano X or the Ledger Nano S. And you can kind of look into what, the differences between those two wallets. Obviously do your own research on them, but you can pick them up same day at any Best Buy location, which includes 900 stores across the US. So where I'm at, I could drive 30 minutes to a Best Buy or 40 minutes to another Best Buy, okay, and go pick up one of these wallets if I wanted to do so. And again, it has been shown that these are some of the safest way to, protect your crypto. Again, there is a saying that is going around, and it's not your keys, not your coins, okay? So again, self-custody is kind of the way to go right now. Now, it is important to note that Ledger doesn't support every cryptocurrency, but it is expanding its reach, quite a bit. So right now, Ledger currently offers support for 23 cryptocurrencies and more than 1,500 Ethereum-based tokens. It also secures 45 and 40% of the top transactions on NFT marketplace OpenSea and Bored Ape, respectively. So you'll begin to see over time that this is going to expand further and further, as more cryptos, are validated and are deemed to be good options, right? There's going to be support that comes on these wallets, and probably for the ClearCryptos coin as well. Let's go. But I obviously just want to keep you guys updated to this. No longer do you have to actually sit and wait for this kind of option to come to you if that's the route you wanted to go. As always, again, this is not financial advice, but we just want to make you aware, obviously, that this is an option for you, and it is just within reach. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping out, taking time to watch the video. If you haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. The channel's growing very fast. You'll get notified about all of our content that goes live, and we have tons of stuff coming your way. Videos, live streams, shorts, tons of, breaking news, current news. If you have questions about how to do a certain thing, we got all that stuff here as well. So as always, appreciate you guys again, and we really hope to see you in the next video. Take care, guys.